We are going to discuss our next experiment for computer networking lab. That is, we are going to configure a router. So let's quickly draw our topology. So take PC, PC1, PC1, PC2, and take two switches, PT switch and this PT switch, and one router, and connect. So we have successfully connected. So let's our first this side network is 192.168.3.0. so this side network is this one, and this side network is 192.168.2.0. okay, then we come here and configure IP. Give 192.168.3.2 and press tab, and give here 192.168.3.1 and close it, and come to this PC. Give 192.168.2.2, then 192.168.2.1. so this is our initial IP configuration for both the PC. So come to router and come to command line interface, give here no and press enter. Now come to configure mode, conf t. So now we are in configuration mode. So now we are going to configure this side IP. We are going to assign IP address of this port FA 0/0. So give interface int FA 0/0 and press enter. Give IP address 192.168.3.1 and subnet mask 255.255.255.0 and press enter. Give no shut. So it's showing state to up. Then we have to assign IP address for this port FA 1/0. So give interface FA 1/0 and enter. IP address 192.168.2.1 and 255.255.255.0 and press enter. Give no shut. Link is up, so we can change everything is changed to green now. So now let's ping 192.168. This side IP, this PC address is 2.2. So let's try from this side also. Yes, here we have received from last byte. That means both computer are able to communicate, but we check from this side also. 192.168.3.2. So it being 192.168.3.2. So yeah, here we are getting replies. So this is our first topology for static routing. So now we are going to discuss our second topology. So let's quickly connect draw our second topology, that is one PC, take another PC, take two router, two switch also, switch 2, then router, PT router 1 and router 2. So this is our second topology, and let's quickly reconnect. So let's suppose our this side network is 192.168.2.2 and this network is 192.168.3.0. This is, and this side network is 192.168.1.0, and this is okay, this network is 2.0, this is 1, 2 and 3. So now let's assign IP address for this PC. 192.168.2.2. Press tab and give default gateway 192.168.2.1. So this is okay, and come to here also, and we will assign IP address for this PC 192.168.1.2 and default gateway 192.168.1.1 and close. So we have assigned IP addresses for PCs as well as default gateway. Now let's configure this whole router. So come to router, command line interface, give no. So no, then press enter. Come to configure mode, enable conf t, then we are going to assign this side of this side FA 0/0. So give interface FA 0/0, IP address 192.168.2.1 and subnet mask 255.255.255.0 and press enter. Give no shut. Then give interface serial 2/0, IP address 192.168.3.1 and subnet mask is 255.255.255.0 and press enter. And here clock sign is there, so we have to give clock rate. So clock rate 64,000. Give no shut. we have configured this router, and now come to this router. So come to command line interface. No. Then come to configuration mode, enable conft and give interface sc2/0 and IP address 192.168. This is 3.2 and subnet mask 255.255.255.0 and no shut. So we have configured this also. Now this one. So for this also we give interface fa 0/0. Oh, sorry, fa interface fa 0/0. Then we have to give IP address 192.168.1.1 and subnet mask is 255.255.255.0 and give no shut. So let's check routing table. So it is showing it is connected to 2 and 3, but network 1 is unknown for this router. So similarly for this one, here also it is showing connected to 1 and 3, but it is unknown to this router. So we are going to configure this router. So first method is we are going to do static routing. So static routing, this is 5B. So through static routing we are going to configure router. So for that come to router and here come to configuration mode. Already it is configuration mode, so we have to give command IP route. So which one is unknown for this? This one, 1.0. So for that we have to give 192.168.1.0 and subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. and for coming to this network, which is the next hop, so this one. So here network address IP address is 192.168.3.2 and press enter. Similarly come to this router and here also give IP route, IP route, and for this also, for this router this network is unknown, means 192.168.2.0 and subnet mask is 255.255.255.0 and for going through this, which is the next of this one. So here IP address is 192.168.3.1 and press enter. So now we can check route table. So here it is connected. It is 1 2 3 from all the network it is connected, and we can check this router also. So here also it's connected. So yes, now we can try pinging. So come to this PC, go to command prompt and ping. We are going to ping this network PC. So that is 192.168.1.2. Yeah, we are getting reply. That means the computer is able to communicate. So we'll try from this also. Give ping 192.168. This computer IP is 2.2. So yeah, here also we are getting reply. That means both computers able to communicate. So now the next technique for static routing is serial interface. So if we check routing table for this router, so it is showing it is connected to 2 and 3, but 1 is not reachable. And if we check for this router table, it is connected to 1 and 3, but 2 is unreachable. So for that we are going to router this. We are going to configure this both router through serial interface. So let's come to command prompt, command line interface, and for this router IP address, this one is unreachable. So we have to give for this this is unreachable. So we have to give 192.1 IP route 192.168.1.0 and subnet mask is 255.255.255.0 and serial interface is this one, SC2/0, and press enter and give exit and come to this router. Here also give IP route 192. For this router IP address 2 is unreachable, so 192.168.2.0 and subnet mask is 255.255.255.0 and serial interface is this one, SE2/0, SE2/0. Press enter, give exit. So let's check again route table. So yeah, here it is connected to 1 2 and 3. Here also we can check it is connected to 1 2 and 3. So now we'll try pinging from one PC to another. So ping 192.168. This IP address is 1.2. First one we got timeout and second one, yes, we are getting reply. So let's try from this PC also. Ping 192.168.2.2. So yes, here also we are getting reply. That means both computers are connected. So thank you so much.